Hello friends, I am Emre Atta from the Binance Global Affiliate Program. Today, I'll show you how to trade tokenized stocks, specifically Google or Alphabet stocks. I will demonstrate how to trade them on Binance. First, you must register for a Binance account. You can use one of my referral codes during registration. Best code max, FUTURESMAX, or 2026 best code. On the sign up page, you'll see my photo, my nickname, and commission. Rebate code, and you will see what this code offers you. What does this code provide? You receive a 20% commission rebate for life on spot transactions. You get a 10% rebate on leveraged trades, plus the chance to earn our periodic $19,800 bonus, the welcome bonus. However, this bonus is based on completing tasks. You can find the details on my SQR page or in the information section of this video, under my topic on how to get the bonus. Now let's move on to the video together. Let's see how to trade tokenized Google stocks on Binance Global. Yes, friends, now I will show you the most practical, fastest, and even the safest method on Binance Global. How to trade GOOGLB bStock, which are tokenized Google shares or Alphabet shares. First, you need to complete KYC verification after the registration screen. You can finish this verification in just seconds using your ID, driver's license, residence permit, or passport. Then we need to deposit funds. See, there is a yellow button here to add money. I clicked on it. You can choose your local currency here. I am clicking on buy with American dollars. We need to purchase a stablecoin, USDC or USDT. I will select the payment method now. I am choosing Visa or MasterCard. You can choose whichever is suitable for you. You can also choose USDT or USDC when you click here, friends. See, I clicked on Crypto, USDT, Tron, USDC. I selected Tether here. For instance, I entered $1,000 here. Click Buy with discount and $1,000 of Tether goes to your spot account. Purchase screen complete. Look, the market section is below. I clicked it. There's Crypto, TradeFi, Alpha, and other options. I'm clicking TradeFi and selecting bStock. And now, I will look at Google, that is Alphabet stocks, tokenized stocks. Look, I found it. I clicked here. You see the chart of it here. Google stocks. Look like this. Clicking the info section, Google bStocks or Alphabet bStocks. Present all their information to you in this way. How much is in circulation, what the market cap is, as you can see. Now how will we trade? I clicked on the buy section. Look, the ones in red on the right are sell orders. The greens below are buy orders. The one in the middle shows the current Google bStock prices, friends. When buying, the one on the right side, I click on one of the first two rows of red sell orders. I write $1,000 here. The moment I click buy, I have purchased Google bStocks, Alphabet bStocks, friends. When selling, I click on sell. This time, from the list on the right, the first two rows from the top that are green. I click on one of the prices in the top two rows. For example, how many did I have? Let's say 2. After that, when I click sell here, I sell my Google stocks, my tokenized Google Alphabet stocks, on Binance Global in this way. Everything is that practical and easy, friends. Yes, friends, tokenized Google stocks, Alphabet stocks were traded on Binance Global this way. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can use my referral codes with complete peace of mind. Besides this, make sure to visit the Binance Academy pages. On the Binance Academy pages, you can find information on how to protect your account against scammers. Apart from this, technical info is available. Chart reading, market analysis. You'll find details on technical terms like FUD, FOMO, and the blockchain sector here. See you in other videos. Goodbye. Sincerely, Emre Atta.